Now let us see how do we solve the problems for fitting a curve of the form y is equal to a to the power of bx. Okay, so let me take one example, right, to solve this. Let us fit a curve of the form y is equal to a into e to the power of bx for the following data which is given. Okay, so as you can see, n is 3, the data is 3 here. Okay, so so y is equal to a e to the power of bx. Okay, now we have to form into equation of a straight line, so which is y is equal to ax plus b, right? So let us uh, form this. How do we form this? By taking logarithms on both sides of the equation. So log y um, to the base e is equal to log a to the base e plus and this will be bx, okay, because log e to the base e is 1. Okay, so now this you keep this as capital Y, and this is um, capital ax plus b. Okay, so here what you notice here as a uh, as b, okay, and capital B as log a to the base. Okay, let me compare with this. Now let us form the table and get the normal equation corresponding to it. So you have been given xi and yi, that is 0, 2, and 4, right? And yi, which is 5.1 and 10 and 31.1. So you want to find log y, I. So So that is a log of 5.1, which is 1.6293, log of 10, which is 2.3026, and log of 31.1, which is 3.4372, right? And the squaring of x is 0, 4, 16. So multiply this x with this y. So we get 0, 4.6052 and 13.7488. Okay. So the summation of xi will be 6 here. This is summation of xi. This I don't want this, so I want summation of yi, which is 7.369. Please check it. And x square. So that is 20. And this is 18.354. Okay, please check your answers. Now, let us put that here. Your equation, which is y, capital Y is equal to a x plus b, that is summation of xi and capital yi is equal to a summation xi square plus b summation xi. Okay, so which is these are the normal equations. Okay, and this is summation of yi alone, capital yi, which is a summation small xi plus n times b. Okay, so here a as b as I said, and b is log a to the base e. Okay, so we'll substitute that. We get that as summation xi yi is equal to log a to the base e summation xi plus b summation xi whole square, and summation yi is equal to n log um, a, n log a plus um, b summation xi. Okay. So substituting this, let us substitute it. As we have substituted n as 3. Okay. So we got these two equations. Now solving these two equations, you get log a, okay, uh, which is nearly equal to uh, 1.552, right? Or a will be e to the power of 1.552 because this is the base e, and b will be which is 0.452. Okay. So our uh, curve, which is y, is equal to a, which is e to the power of uh, which we can calculate as 4.7209. Okay, e to the power of 1.552. Okay, so which is 4.7209 into e to the power of which is 0.452x. Okay, so this is the required bit. Now, to fix this, if we take curve of the form y is equal to a into e to the power of b. Sorry, y is equal to a x power b. Okay, so uh, let us look into this. So let us fit a curve of that is least curve, square geometric curve, which is y is equal to a into x power b. Okay, so here the following data which is given. Okay, so y is equal to a into x power b. So let us form this in the form of y is equal to a plus bx, right? A plus bx, right? So in order to form in this general form, so we have to take this logarithms on both the sides of this equation, which is a log y to the base e. Again, you split this, so you got log a to the base e plus b into log x to the base e. Okay, now this is in the form of y, capital Y, and this is capital A, right? Plus b into x. Okay, the normal equation corresponding to this would be um, equation that is summation y is n times a plus b summation x, and summation xy is a summation x plus b summation x squared. Okay, so here n would be 5. You have 5 data. Okay, so let us form the table corresponding to these. As we have the following data. Okay, so x and y. So here n is 5. Okay, and we got to form the normal equation. Okay, right. Uh, we need to find the corresponding data which we have here. So capital X will be log x to the base e. So X is 1, so log 0, log 1 is 0, log 2 is 0.6931. Okay, please calculate all this, and I'll just write down. Log 0.5 will be 0.6931. Log 2, this is minus, and this is 0.6931. Okay, fine. Here, you can check your answers, right? So summation of x I, which is 4.7874. Okay, summation of y, which is 6.1092. Summation of xy, which is 9.0504. And summation of x square, this is 6.1993. Okay, let us substitute all this in the normal equation. So quickly substitute it. As you can see, the data on the screen. So by substituting these values, okay. Now evaluating these two equations, so we get A, which is minus 0.69315, and B as 2. So log A to the base A, which is A, or A will be e to the power of A, which is uh, e to the power of minus 0.69315, which is 0.5. Okay, so your answer is y is equal to 0.5 x square. Okay? So B being 2.